Tuta, bakit nagkaganyan ka? Ha? What's wrong with you? Hmm? Oh. Hmm? Baby? Shh. We'll clean your nose, ha? We'll clean your nose. What happened? You feel cold? Ah, the AC is too cold. Huh? Oh, naman to. Yeah, you have a schedule in Royal Vet on Monday, huh? What happened? What happened to Tuta? What happened to Tuta? I will remove your stomach. Wait. I'll find tissue.